Welcome to our guide on how to fix video playback issues on Snapchat. If you're encountering problems with videos not playing on Snapchat, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. Start by checking your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection, as a weak or unstable connection can impact video playback on Snapchat. A strong connection is essential for smooth video streaming. Next, try restarting the Snapchat app. Close the app completely, and then reopen it. This simple step can help address minor glitches that may be hindering the playback of videos on Snapchat. It's also important to make sure that you have the latest version of Snapchat installed on your device. Check for any available updates in the App Store and ensure that you're running the most up-to-date version. App updates often contain bug fixes and optimizations that can improve video playback performance. If the issue persists, consider restarting your device. Sometimes, a device restart can help resolve underlying issues with Snapchat and enhance overall performance, including video playback. By following these troubleshooting steps, you can work towards resolving video playback issues on Snapchat and enjoy seamless viewing of videos on the platform. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you address any issues with video playback on Snapchat. Stay connected and enjoy watching videos on Snapchat without any interruptions with these helpful troubleshooting tips.